Hey everybody, it's Dr. K. I wanted to take a moment to demonstrate how I do the Neti-Pot. And, this morning I was feeling a little bit of a little runny nose, just a tiny bit, just ever so slight. And, it's when I get those early cues, that's when in my mind, I think, you know what? I need to get on that because that's not normal for me. Whether it's a scratchy throat, runny nose, earache, those are signs that I need to take some action and prevent further proliferation of bacteria and growth in my oral nasal cavities. So what I like to do is I like to take my Neti-Pot, my water. This is from either gravity-fed, boiled water, distilled water. Put it in your pump action Neti-Pot. I like this. This is the most efficient way of doing it. And I recently discovered this salt here, Baraka, and it's French organic sea salt, and it's got some infused oils in there. And I've got my little wooden spoon. And what I like to do is I like to put at least 2 heaping spoonfuls in. Like so, if I want extra, and I want my nasal cavities to burn a little bit, I'll put like 3 in there. I don't mind. And then the next thing, which is the most important thing that I think needs to happen, is including some iodine. This kills everything in the nasal cavities. If you've got a sinus infection, if you've got early symptoms coming on, it's important to do this in combination with the salt. This ensures that you really nip any early infection in the bud. And so what I like to do is I like to it's not very graceful. I'm getting it all over the sink. You can't see. There you go, yeah. Anyway, rust color. There you go, screw on the top. And I like to shake it up. Good, and I wanted to show you what this looks like. Here, let me put this cap on. Good, here you go. All right, ready? And it's gonna come out this nose, okay? And I like to do at least 2 squirts on each side. And I like to hold my breath while I'm doing it and put my tongue on the roof of my mouth, just to kind of make it easy, have me calm down. Good, let it drain out, good. And I like to go to my other one, hold my breath, put my tongue on my roof. Good. Do the same thing on the other side. Good. Ooh. Some boogers came out. And then with the rest, I like to gargle. And I might swallow a little bit too. Coat the back of the throat. All right, that's how I do a Neti-Pot.